This year, I'll be making more than $100,000, and this is exactly how I'm going to do it. The first method is for me to go back to my first love, which is affiliate marketing. I started making money online with affiliate marketing, but for the past 1.5 years, I have paused a little bit because of AI, obviously. Now, I used to have a lot of affiliate sites where people search for something on Google, my website will pop up, they'll click on it, land on my website, click to Amazon to buy a product, and I get commissions from it. I was able to do it to the point of making $2,000, $4,000, even $10,000 every single month with my website. I had about 4 different affiliate websites, and each of these websites had more than 100 different articles that were reviewing different products. This year, I'm going back to it because I believe that I understand how AI and SEO works together. And not only am I going to depend on Google, I've also decided to embed TikTok and Facebook and YouTube. And this is what I'll do. Now, Facebook has made it so easy now to monetize your videos with product links, right? So wherever you pick your product, you can create a video on it, put it on Facebook, and add product links. And I have started doing that. I've seen some clicks coming in. I haven't seen results yet, but I believe very soon results will start coming in. Besides that, I'm going to convert all the articles I've written and I'll turn them into videos and upload them on my faceless YouTube channels that talks about products and product reviews and stuff like that. Now, when the videos are done, I'm going to embed the videos in the articles I've already written, optimize the articles for the AI SEO, if there's anything like that, right? So I'm embedding YouTube, I'm doing Facebook, and then TikTok. TikTok has made it so easy now for affiliate products. You can do a video that will show the product, and if the video goes viral, what happens is that a lot of people will be sending you a message to want the link. So the strategy is simple. Find UGC creators or user-generated content creators who can get the products or who can do a video, not necessarily have the product, but can do a video around the product and post the video. Understand what makes something goes viral on TikTok and upload the video. So I'm going to use TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube to support my old system of Google, website, and Amazon. Now, one more thing I'll be doing with affiliate marketing. No, 2 more things I'll be doing with affiliate marketing is the fact that I'll not only be dependent on Amazon products, but I'm also adding AliExpress. I realize their commissions are very good. They have products that people are comfortable buying. So I'll be adding that. And then one more thing I started doing 2 years ago was Pinterest. Now, every product that I have created, I have already paid someone to be creating pins for me. So I'm going to pin all the products on Pinterest and then connect them back to my website and connect them to YouTube, so you can be watching any of my YouTube videos. There will be links below for you to click and buy. I'm going back to my first love, and I'm expecting to make not less than $25,000 with my 4 websites, with my Facebook pages, and with TikTok and with Pinterest. So that's it. But for number 2, you already know it, which is freelancing. I love freelancing because freelancing gives me the freedom to do what I love to do without necessarily morning to evening stress of a full-time job and all of that. So for my freelancing, it's broken down to about 3 different categories. I freelance on Fiverr or online sites like Upwork too. I don't make a lot of money on Upwork because I don't push in a lot of time and resources. But for Fiverr, I've made a lot of money, and I'll be talking about that very soon. So that is the first type. I use online platforms to freelance. And then I have an agency that I run remotely that helps business people around the world that sells SEO services. So companies around the world, we target some cities in UK, we target some states in the US, and when people search for SEO services, our website will pop up. They go to the website, fill a form, and then I have someone who will jump on a call, do meetings with them, and is able to sell to them. We sell a minimum of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 SEO services. And I believe that is also on a freelance level, right? Because we use our names to sell, not a company-based business, right? So on that front, I'm expecting to make around $50,000 on Fiverr and with my other freelance platforms. Now, that means that whatever it is that I have done in the past that did very well, I'm going to repeat all of that. Now, the reason why I slowed down on Fiverr, now early 2024, somewhere March 2024, Fiverr introduce the Fiverr score. And because of that, I have to take a step behind to really understand the Fiverr score and know how it works. Now, I can say for a fact that it's been more than 8 months, it's almost a year. And I can tell you that I have really understood how it works. I actually created a mini course on how to manipulate, maybe manipulate was a wrong word, but how to manipulate the Fiverr score for it to love you. It was basically showing you the correct ways to do things that the Fiverr score will love you and start pushing your gig in front, right? So now I have a full understanding of what the new Fiverr score is and how you can actually use it to your advantage. And what I can tell you is that the new Fiverr score is AI based. And the only thing it's looking out for, actually two things that it's looking out for, is one, how is your gig and your account helping the Fiverr company make money? If you can do that, help the company make money, it will always push you on top. But how do you help the company make money? It sounds too huge and complex, right? I will explain that very soon. Secondly, how are you satisfying buyers? If you can be able to create a gig that will help them make money and at the same time make buyers happy, your gig will always be on the homepage of your keyword. Trust me, this works. I've come to understand that it's AI, and that is what I'm going to use to stay on top and start winning and get a lot of orders coming in. And I'll be sharing my result on this channel with you. Now, the last method that I'll be using to make money, which is around the 25% that is left, is to use my local agency. I have a local agency, but I don't chase clients. I have a system that brings in leads. They call, I pick the call, and I talk to them. They request for a quote. I send them a quote. And then if they decide to work with me, they go ahead and I set my quote and we start working. It's a remote agency. I don't have an office. I work from home and stuff like that. So these are the three main methods I'll be making money with here in 2025. But there are other methods that I also have. Like I have an online course, I have books that I sell, I have some PDFs and printables on Etsy. Etsy has become so saturated now, so I don't promote it to anyone. But yeah, these are the processes and methods and systems that I'll be using to make money this year. I have tailored it down to just affiliate marketing, freelancing, and local agency. I used to have so many other methods that I used to make money with, but I have stopped that. And I'm also looking at e-commerce. I have tried dropshipping in the past, but I failed somewhere 7 years ago. I tried dropshipping. Those days I didn't have a Stripe account, but I've been running a Stripe account for the past 2 years now, so I can successfully sign up onto Shopify to start a dropshipping business. But I'm not so good with e-commerce in terms of managing the entire flow, because it's not just running ads. If it just has to do with running Facebook ads, I know how to do it very, very well. I've done it for people. But e-commerce is broad. The logistics behind where you're getting the product, the buyers, the manufacturers, the customer service. I don't think I have those things on point yet. Once I'm able to figure that one out, maybe I'll find a percentage for it to set on my plan for 2025. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a premium group where you can be part of it. What I will do is any step that I take, everything that I do, I share it with you. Currently, I have something like that for my YouTube channels. I have a lot of faceless YouTube channels, but even with that, I'm not expecting to make money with it. I'm expecting it to grow to a certain level, probably next year before it starts making money. So with my YouTube group, what I do is anytime I find a good idea, I share it in the group. Anytime I work on something that's bringing success, I share it in the group. So they are following through. They're also doing the same. I'm doing the same thing for these three methods: for affiliate marketing, for freelancing, and for remote agency. If you're someone who believes that these three methods are methods that you want to leverage on to make money this year, you can be part of this group. It's not going to be free. So that as I move along, I'll be sharing some of these ideas with you, these steps, these processes, tools that work, tools that don't work. One of the tools that I'll be trying, or website I'll be trying, is Flex Jobs. I've seen their ads. I don't know how it works, but I'm going to sign up for 3 months, test it, go all out into it to see if it's going to help me make money. And whatever it is, I'll share it with my community, not here on YouTube, but with my paid community. I don't know. I haven't set it up yet, but I'll be doing it because a few people have already asked me that if I have something like that, and that is exactly what I'll be doing. So I need you to leave your comments. If you have any questions, ask me, and you can always reach me on saykobi@gmail.com. Bye-bye for now.